In this class, we are going to find a factorial of a number using C program. Okay, you know 4 factorial, that means 24. Okay, and 5 factorial 120. Okay, so how to calculate this 24? That means you know 4 factorial, that means 1 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 4. Okay, so if you multiply this number, then we get 24. How to find 5 factorial value? Similarly, 1 multiplication 2 multiplication 3 multiplication 4 multiplication 4 5. So this is the value, and if you multiply this number, you get 120. You keep in mind 0 factorial always 1. Okay, and look at, this is the program code of factorial. How to find a factorial of a number and how to write this program code using C. So this is the logic. So let's see, or let's try to understand the logic. Suppose you insert n value, suppose insert n values 5, suppose 4. Okay, so 4. So what happened? This is the command line. Okay, so I less than equals to n. First condition check. We know I values initialize 1. Then less than equals to n values 4. Condition is true. So what happened in this for loop? In this for loop, fact equal to fact into I. You know fact initialize, that means fact value is 1. So what happened? Fact equal to fact value is 1 multiplication 1. Then what is the value? So fact value is 1. Okay, so now again increment the value of I. I value is now increment 2. So condition is true. So now fact into I values is now 2. So what is the value of fact? 2. Then again increment the value of I, and I values 3. So condition is also true. And then fact into I, that means 3, that means 20, that means 6. 2 into 3, that means 6. Okay, so now increment the value of I. Now I values 4. Condition is true. Now again multiply 4. 4 values is now total 24. Okay, now increment the value I, that means 5. Here condition is false. So exit from for loop body. Okay, so and print the value of fact. So let's see the execution process. So first of all, save, then execute. Okay, execute, and let's see this is the output screen. So enter the input for find factorial. Suppose you enter 5. We know what is the 5 factorial value? 120. You get 120. That is right. Okay, so let's try to another input, execute similarly, then insert the value of n. That means if you suppose insert 4, then get 24. Okay, thanks for watching. So this is the program code.